we'd like to introduce ourselves at our new Health and Wellness Promotions program. It's called LivingBetterITV.com, Total Health for the Total Person.
And I'm Carol Walker. I've been in the insurance business for 25 plus years, marketing insurance programs to businesses and corporations. I'm also the founding publisher of LivingBetterITV.com, and today I'm visiting with Debbie Dedman, who is our creative director. She is also our editor. She creates our websites and she designs and edits all of the websites and all of our publications. And we're here today to tell you about Living Better ITV, how it works, and how it would be beneficial for your business.
We believe that because employees spend a significant amount of time at work, employers have an opportunity with Living Better ITV to make a positive influence on the lifestyle of their employees. Promoting employee wellness is one of the best things an employer can do to improve productivity and, of course, the bottom line.
Yes, and the purpose of this program is to emphasize the value of prevention. And as an insurance agent, I am so aware of how critical it is to strive to maintain good health. We believe that when workers and employers join forces in managing and promoting healthy practices, everyone enjoys the payoff in quality of life and, of course, in the cost.
The effort here is to keep the low-risk employees from moving into the high-risk category. Our Health and Wellness Promotions is a two-part resource program. It consists of our website and e-magazine, all lowercase, LivingBetterITV.com.
And we'd like to explain that Living Better ITV stands for Living Better Internet Television, and it's also paired with the printed publication Living Better Business Guide that's distributed to businesses, and it's basically a TV guide that links to the programming on the website.
Our program is based on the concept of total wellness for the total person. We believe that good health is not just about nutrition and exercise. There are 8 specific areas of life that make up the total person to achieve the state of what they call optimal health.
Yes, and our educational resources contain information in each of those areas to assist your employees in obtaining balance in their lives.
Yes, it's about the balance.
Balance.
LivingBetterITV.com contains videos and information in each of these 8 areas, and we would like to quickly outline these for you so you'll see where we're going with this.
Yes. Okay, first of all, these areas have a channel devoted to it, each one. And we call them channels on the website with the idea that they're so similar to TV channels because there's videos in each of those areas and they're by different professionals. So for an example, one area is the physical health.
Which is the biggest one.
Yes. And then spiritual health, family, emotional, financial, image, social, motivation, and career. So our information comes from places like the CDC, which is the Center for Disease Control, and we have articles also from local professionals.
The Your Health channel consists of information on a wide variety of subjects, physical health, A to Z, everything from nutrition to addiction.
And the Family channel contains helpful information on parenting, elder care, the effects of divorce. The Emotional channel contains information on managing stress, coping with traumatic events, talks about relationships, etc. The Financial channel talks about tax information, insurance, and the Image channel is very exciting because it contains tips on makeup and hair and even cosmetic procedures and makeovers.
The Social channel talks about event planning, volunteering, party planning, catering, that sort of thing. The Motivation Career channel addresses negativity in the workplace, success, failure, procrastination, and of course one of the big ones, time management.
And the Spiritual channel addresses how faith impacts our thoughts and actions. And our thoughts and actions certainly impact every part of our life, especially the workplace.
And another thing, Carol, I'd like to point out is that these articles and the information will be changed on a regular basis, so we're always bringing new information to the website.
Yes, okay. On the LivingBetterITV.com e-magazine and internet television website, The videos you will find there are sponsored by local professionals and businesses, and they do contain educational information and articles. And the most exciting thing too is that we have a marketplace page. We have spoken with our sponsors, and they are making available to our viewers valuable coupon saving offers, and we're planning in the very near future to do a print and clip coupon page, adding new print and clip coupons, coupon offers on a regular basis.
In the future, we will be obtaining speakers for our page. It's called the Speakers Bureau.
Yes, and there's topics that are available. These people are available for workshops, seminars, lunch and learns, and all the topics are things like, for an example, our life coaches, which are our staff coaches, PhDs, are available to discuss family and emotional issues in the workplace. They discuss getting along in the workplace, overcoming negativity, and we also have speakers that will come out and do fat burning seminars and exercises, how to exercise in the workplace. We can coordinate a day with the doctors where the chiropractor can come out, do spine screenings, blood pressure checks. These are just some examples of some of the special speakers we have. We even have a special speaker who's available to do osteoporosis prevention, and we work with nutritionists, and we will be adding more as we go. We even have a new speaker that you could tell us about.
Right. She is a literacy coach, reading specialist, available for teaching parents to teach their children, and this will be under our parenting section.
And we're developing a page called It Makes Sense to Implement. Now, this is an opportunity for employers to become educated on the whys of implementing a health promotions program, and that's tied to the Worksite Wellness page, which lists some simple, easy ideas to assist you with how to integrate a simple step-by-step program into the workplace.
So for all the businesses who participate in our program, there will also be a quarterly e-newsletter containing updated information, new articles, and ideas. Our goal with this is to keep the employees interested and participating in the program.
Okay, the Health Wellness Program is totally free to your employees. There's never a need to purchase anything ever. It's sponsored 100% by local sponsors in the community. And so for more information on how you can become involved and how you can promote living better, total wellness for the total person for your employees, simply email us at
all lowercase livingbetteritv@yahoo.com, or you can contact Carol at 817-353-8004.
And again, this is a free program designed for the employee market, and it's designed for the improvement of the total health and total wellness of our community. We want to thank you so much for spending this few minutes with us today, and we hope to be speaking with you very soon. Thank you.